Hello students, in this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. Read the questions carefully. Please listen to the audio attentively, which will play after the instructions. You need to answer the questions based on what you hear in the audio module. Good luck. Imagine waking up in a warm, sunlit meadow, surrounded by colorful flowers. This is a typical morning for a monarch butterfly. Monarchs are known for their stunning orange and black wings, and they have a fascinating life cycle that captivates many nature lovers. The day begins with a gentle stretch of the wings. After a long night resting on a leaf, it's time to soak up the sun. Monarchs are cold-blooded creatures, which means they rely on external heat to get moving. As the sun rises higher in the sky, the butterfly flutters to a nearby flower to sip some sweet nectar for breakfast. Nectar is not just delicious, it provides the energy needed for flight. After enjoying breakfast, the butterfly embarks on a journey. Monarchs are known for their incredible migration. Each year, they travel thousands of miles from North America to central Mexico for the winter. This journey can take several weeks, and they rely on various landmarks to navigate. Throughout the day, the butterfly visits many flowers, collecting nectar and helping with pollination. As it flits from flower to flower, it carries pollen on its legs and body, which helps plants reproduce. This makes the monarch an important part of the ecosystem. After a busy day of feeding and flying, the sun begins to set. The butterfly looks for a safe place to rest for the night. It finds a cluster of leaves and settles down, tucking its wings close to its body. As darkness falls, the butterfly enters a restful sleep, dreaming of the beautiful flowers it visited and the journeys ahead. Monarch butterflies are remarkable not just for their beauty, but also for their resilience. Their life cycle includes 4 stages: egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa, and adult butterfly. Each stage plays a crucial role in their development and survival. So next time you see a monarch fluttering by, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and wonder behind its daily life. These butterflies remind us of the beauty of nature and the importance of protecting their habitats.